poses. I'm going to get some treats. All three of my dogs are actually in the starting off pose for cat pose. Okay, you're going to want your dog on all fours. Come here, over here. Okay, no, don't. Okay. See, Scout is on all fours. Okay, you don't want to do it? Okay, fine. Come here, Lips. Move, move. Come here, Libby. Come here, Libby. Alright, I'll show you on three. You're going to want to put your hand under your dog's abdominal area and just guide their head between their paws. That way they get a nice little stretch behind, right in their neck and the top of their spine. And that is the cat pose for your dog. If you don't put your hand here, they might automatically go into their downward dog, which is not a bad thing, but if you want them to do cat pose, that was a good cat pose, yeah. Cat pose, come on. Oh, I love you. Well, they've had a cat pose, they just want to do dog poses now. Yeah, you're a cat dog, you're a cat dog. And that is the cat pose. Fun time! And just let her have some fun after that wonderful display.